Child labor is a social crime. Every child has a right to shine. That's what we are going to discuss today, that is issues related to child employment. In the last video, we were talking about our third fundamental right, that is right against exploitation. This right contains two articles, Article 23 and Article 24. Article 23 talks about prohibition of traffic in human being and forced labor. And Article 24 talks about prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. We discussed Article 23 in the last video. In this video, we will talk about Article 24. Article 24 simply says that no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engaged in any hazardous employment. Basically, this article is for the welfare of the children and ensure a safe and healthy life of children. Two things have been mentioned clearly, that children less than 14 years cannot work in factories and mines. The third thing that is written is children cannot work in any hazardous employment. Now what kind of work comes under this? Supreme Court has given a very long list under this category. It has mentioned 18 occupations and 65 processes. Some of these includes transport of goods by railways, work in catering at railway stations, work related to construction of railway station, work related to selling of crackers and fireworks, working in slaughterhouse, working in automobile workshop and garage, handling of inflammable explosives, domestic workers or servants, workers at dhabas, restaurants, hotels, tea shops, resorts, spas, etc., working in circus. These are some important places where children below 14 years of age are not allowed to work. So now the question arises that if children below 14 years of age are not allowed to work, then how are children working in TV and film industry? The answer is Article 24 doesn't prohibit the employment of children below the age of 14 years in any harmless or innocent work. It simply means children below 14 years of age will be allowed to help their family or family enterprises in non-hazardous occupations, but only after school hours and during vacations. In addition to this, children working as artists in film, television, serial, advertisement, sport activities, etc. may also be allowed to work after school hours. So it is simple that the government has allowed children to work in some places provided their studies are not hampered and they should not face any kind of physical or mental problem. Now to prohibit child labor, some acts have been passed by the Parliament. They are the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986, the Employment of Children Act 1938, the Factories Act 1948, the Mines Act 1952, the Merchant Shipping Act 1958, the Plantation Labor Act 1951, the Motor Transport Workers Act 1951, Apprentices Act 1961, the Bidi and Cigar Workers Act 1966. The most important act among all these is the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986. In this act only 18 occupations and 65 processes have been mentioned in detail. After 10 years of the implementation of this act, that is in 1996, the Supreme Court created a fund called Child Labor Rehabilitation Welfare Fund. Now where will the money come from in this fund? Supreme Court said that if any employer employs children below the age of 14 years in any hazardous occupation and is caught doing so, then that employer will have to pay 20,000 per child as a fine. And the same money will be put in the Child Labor Rehabilitation Welfare Fund, which will later be used for the welfare of the children. In 2005, another act was passed by the Parliament named the Commission for Protection of Child Rights Act 2005. Three things were mentioned in that act. First, at center level, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights will be established. Second, at state level, State Commission for Protection of Child Rights will be established. And third, Children's Court will also be established for providing speedy trial of offences against children and violation of child rights. In 2016, the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 was amended. under which the name of the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act was changed to Child and Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986. Child who is below the age of 14 years and adolescent who fall between the ages of 14 to 18 years. Under this amendment, the 18 occupations and 65 processes that were mentioned earlier were completely banned for children below the age of 14 years. But for adolescents who fall between the ages of 14 to 18 years were restricted to work in few of listed hazardous occupations only. And at the same time, the punishments were made more severe and rigid. That's all about Article 24. With this, we have completed our third fundamental right, that is right against exploitation. In the next video, we will talk about fourth fundamental right, that is right to freedom of religion, explained from Article 25 to 28.